Hello and welcome. In this YouTube, we're talking about rotating flashers that are really effective in catching big fish. Kings, coho, pinks, you name it, in salmon, even bottom fish. Halibut like a rotating flasher. Behind it on a 32-inch leader is a squid and popular glow-in-the-dark. This is what it looks like from the downrigger weight to the flasher. And off the release, the way I have it set up with a 3-way swivel. And so as that flasher rotates, it bobs up and down on that swivel, which transmits the movement to the rod tip. And if you look at the downrigger itself on the counter, you're looking at 70 feet, and it goes around one more time, which would be 140. And if it cuts up into the 95, well, 200 feet down, but we're going to run it normally about 145. Thanks for watching, everybody, and be safe out on the water.